Welcome. Today we're going to be finding the side of a triangle using the tangent rule, and that's what our lesson intent is today. So let's say we have our triangle, and this one is a right angled triangle. And before we can go ahead and solve this, we need to understand, or we need to have labels on our triangles. So this long part here, this diagonal part, is called the hypotenuse. Okay, over here is the opposite, so it's the opposite side because it's sitting opposite our hypotenuse. And here is our adjacent, because if we had an angle here, it is sitting next to the angle, okay? And this is sitting opposite our angle. Okay, so in order to calculate tan, or the tangent, we need to understand what our equation is. So it's tan and whatever angle we have, and it is the opposite, whatever figure that may be, over adjacent. Okay, sometimes you'll see it abbreviated as TOA. Now, for the sake of this next, or for our example, let's say we had, I'll change colours, let's say we had an angle here of 66.5, okay, and our adjacent was 5.8 metres, and we don't know what our opposite is. So that's what we wanted to find out what this length is here of our triangle. So this is how it looks. It'd be tan 66.5 equals the opposite we don't know, so we leave it as x, and the adjacent is 5.8 metres. So what we want to do is we want to remove this and bring it over to this side. So it'll look like this. Oh, wrong colour. Keep it the same colour for you. So it'll be x, tan. Now on your calculator there's a tan button, so you press tan, 66 equals, and then multiply it by 5.8, and you will get the total of 13.8 metres. So up here, this x now has been solved at 13.08 metres, I should say. Okay, so using tan, so our opposite over adjacent, I want you to have a go at this next problem, just to cement your knowledge. So go back, have a look at your notes while you're doing this. So let's say our degrees was 45 degrees, and this here is 10 metres. I want you to solve here, what is x?